Okay, so we are going to do some synthetic division to divide polynomials. So we have this lovely fourth degree polynomial divided by x minus 2. So this is the same thing as long division. It's just a lot quicker, and you're just taking the coefficients and the 0. So in this case, we have the factor x minus 2. And the 0 from that factor is 2. So we're going to put that on the outside of our synthetic division, kind of like long L. And then we take the coefficients of our fourth degree polynomial, and be careful that every term is accounted for. So our x to the fourth term has a coefficient of 2, x cubed is -1, x squared is -7, x is 7, and then x to the 0 is -10. So if you didn't have a coefficient for a term, let's say we didn't have an x term, then we would have to have a 0 right here. But we do have an x term, so we're good. And the first thing that you do is you carry down that 2. So you carry this term down, and we write it as 2. And then we say 2 times 2, so we take whatever our 0 is, in this case it's 2, times the term down here, 2, which gives us 4. And then we add, so we're going to add -1 plus 4, which gives us 3. And then we just follow this pattern throughout the entire process. So 2 times 3 is 6. Add -7 plus 6 is -1. Multiply 2 times -1 is -2. Add 7 plus -2 is 5. And then multiply 2 times 5 is 10. Add -10 plus 10 is 0. And just to make that completely clear, I am multiplying by the 0 right here. So I know it's a little confusing that I have a 2 down here, but I am multiplying by the 0. So this 2 right here. And it turns out that our remainder is 0. So in fact, x minus 2 is a factor of our polynomial. So that's always good news. And what we do here is write these coefficients as a polynomial. So looking back at our original, it was a fourth degree polynomial. So you always take one less of that degree. So it's going to be 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 5. So the answer to this division problem is 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 5. And you could also write this as 2x to the fourth. So we're taking the polynomial we started with before we divided it, minus 7x squared plus 7x minus 10. And that's actually equal to the factor x minus 2 times our new polynomial, 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus x plus 5. So that's important to remember that we are able to do that. But to write our answer, we would leave it as this.